You know, Screencastify is supposed to be giving me a 5-second countdown, and it's just not. This is also the second time I'm making this video because I just recorded like a 3.5-minute video and I recorded the wrong screen the whole time. So we're going to go much faster this time around. Bookmarks bars can be super powerful tools. They live up here in the top of your screen. If you are looking at your Chrome browser and you do not see a bookmarks bar, what you can do is open up a new tab like this, and then you'll see one, and then right click it and make sure show bookmarks bar is toggled on, little check mark next to it. If you want to see that when you have anything other than a new tab open, I prefer to have mine open all the time just because I use it a lot. But some people prefer the kind of cleaner look of not having that open all the time. So these are really great tools to be able to get to resources or websites very, very quickly. So in order to bookmark something, what you do is you go to whatever website you want to bookmark, and you come up here and you click this little star. So notice I have Google Drive currently bookmarked. It's because this is the second time recording this video. So I will just simply click on this and then remove that so you can see what this looks like. Let's say I want to bookmark my Google Drive. That way I can just click on a button and go there right away. I'm just going to open up my Google Drive. I'm going to click on the star. I'm going to hit done. It automatically adds this bookmark to the very end of my bookmarks list. So I have enough bookmarks here that I have to click this little drop-down menu and come down here to these other ones. Now, notice it gave me this little Google Drive icon, and it has My Drive-Google Drive. If I just wanted that to say Drive, what I would do is I would right-click on this and then come down to Edit. So I'm right-clicking on the bookmark. I'm going to click Edit, and then I can change the title of this to whatever I want. So I can just say Drive and hit Save. And now it just says Drive. My favorite trick for this is, let's say I use this one often, so I want it right there at the front. I'm just going to click and I'm going to drag. I'm going to put it right over here at the very, very front. But notice how these bookmarks don't have any descriptor on them. If I right-click this and come to Edit, and then I just delete whatever text is in that name box and hit save, then it just gives me the icon. You have to know where that bookmark takes you, obviously, but it can save you a ton of space here so you don't have a whole bunch of things being taken up. For example, I don't know what this spreadsheet is, and as soon as I'm done recording this video, I'm going to click on it and figure out if I actually need that to be bookmarked there. So that's how you bookmark specific individual sites, but you will notice that I've got these kind of common icons across my bar here. That is because those are folders. So if you have like a billion bookmarks, you can start to organize them. Something that I like to tell people is if you've bookmarked everything, then you've kind of bookmarked nothing. So you might as well start grouping some of these things together and organizing them. For example, every time I'm in a training or I'm in a meeting and someone has an AI resource that I want to come back to later, I bookmark it and I add it to my AI bookmarks folder. So to create a folder within your bookmarks bar, you simply right-click and you go to Add Folder, title your folder whatever you want, and then it's going to add that here to the very end, and then I can click and drag that and put that wherever I want. Notice in the last video I just called it whatever. If I don't want that folder on there anymore, I can simply right-click it and delete it. Right-click that, delete that. Or if I want to move things into that folder, I can click and drag them and drop them in there. Or if I go to a new site, like I want to see how the Colorado Rockies are doing, not great, by the way, real bad as of Monday, September 15th, 2025. Second worst record in baseball history, pretty rough. I can bookmark this, and then notice down here when I first bookmark something, I can change where I want that to live right away. So maybe I want to save the official Colorado Rockies website into my professional resources folder. I do that, I hit done, then I can click on this, and there it is right there. I don't actually want that, so I'm going to delete that. All right, go ahead and play around. Let me know if I can help.